This is Sophia Angelica, just 13 years old.
Yep.
Welcome to Good Day New York. A little bit of backstory here. A couple of weeks ago, there was a Latino event, and our boss, Lou Leone, was there. Saw you were such a great singer, so patriotic. He asked you to be on our show. Thanks for doing that.
Well, my pleasure.
All right, now tell us, you're 13 years old. When did you realize you wanted to be a singer?
When I was about 9 years old, I watched a lot of movies, like musicals and stuff, and I really saw that I really enjoyed singing, so I just decided to start singing classes.
This is not just a hobby, by the way. It's a profession. Your mom's back there. You're going to be in the Dora the Explorer cartoon this fall?
Yes.
As what?
As a little rabbit, about this small. It's an assistant for, like, the king of the forest, unicorn.
Very cool, very cool. Well, so, go ahead.
Very cool. Did you have the headset on? Were you talking, your script and everything? How was the recording of that?
It was really fun, actually. It was really fun seeing a little rabbit up there and my voice being in it. It's really amazing how they fit that in.
Very nice, Sophia. What are you going to sing for us, please?
I will be singing a song called We Are America, We Are You, music and lyrics by Iram Colon.
Who's back there on the keyboard?
Yep, back there on the keyboard.
And you got Bob on the guitar.
Yes.
Sophia Angelica, take it away.